Hello and welcome to another episode of Jory Caron Acquires a Taste for Persimmons. It's Valentine's Day. I hope you all are cuddled up with the ones that you love, about to watch me have a love-hate relationship with a persimmon. In all seriousness, though, if you're in a relationship with something that abuses you as much as a persimmon does, you should seek help, because life is too short. Find something that you love. I'm trying to love this. I will love this. Let's go for it. I think St. Valentine is coming through, because this one isn't even... No, it is. I was hoping I could just get through it and give you guys some hope that it's getting better. Sometimes it just doesn't get better. It really doesn't get better sometimes.
Jory's on a mission.